My name is Kevin. I'm from London, UK. I'm really happy to take my new voice.
My problem started when I was 12 years old.
This will definitely motivate people who are suffering from similar situations.
Are you high pitch one?
तो अभी तो सर मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
My name is Kevin. I'm from London, UK. I'm really happy to take my new voice.
My problem started when I was 12 years old.
This will definitely motivate people who are suffering from similar situations.
Are you high pitch voice problem?
तो अभी तो सर मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. वॉइस में काफी फर्क आ रहा है.
Okay. I actually had this surgery in the back and you said I'll take it as a challenge and I'll give you your voice back without any invasive procedures.
After surgery, I have vocal cord paralysis. And now I can speak normal. I feel good.
Hi, I'm Cyrus. Hi, my name is Cyrus.
Hi, I'm Chong. Now my voice has recovered and improved.
इसलिए मुझे बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम, मैं पहले से ज़्यादा बेहतर महसूस कर रहा हूँ.
My name is Shiraldin from Warnell.
And I'm very happy that I'm speaking like a normal people with a bass voice like male.
So I'm having this voice problem. I spoke with a few of my friends and they found reasonable changes in my voices.
I've been facing difficulty in speech. You are able to speak words properly and sentences properly.
Just you try to say something.
Treatment is in there. After 2 hours I got my voice.
Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel SLP Sanjay Kumar Voice Therapist, and today we are after treatment live with Chris, and Chris was having some voice problem due to the phonatory gap, and we did his pre-treatment live on 8 November 2021 that I'll playing in this live. एंड नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल SLP संजय कुमार वॉइस थेरेपिस्ट पे. और आज हम लोग लाइव है ट्रीटमेंट के बाद क्रिस के साथ. और क्रिस को वॉइस की समस्या थी फोनेटरी गैप की वजह से, और आज डेट है 30 दिसंबर 2021. और क्रिस का हमने ट्रीटमेंट से पहले का भी लाइव किया था 8 नवंबर 2021 को, जिसको मैं अभी प्ले करूंगा अभी थोड़ी देर में. तो आप लोग जुड़े रहिए. और क्रिस, प्लीज टेल अस व्हाट एग्जैक्टली प्रॉब्लम यू हैड, why you contacted us, and how do you feel after the treatment?
Sure. So I contacted Dr. Sanjay because I had a phonatory gap diagnosed, and this phonatory gap was causing a bit of trouble in my sort of daily communication. I felt that it was just a bit hard to communicate with people. They would have to ask me to repeat stuff. So, yeah, that's why I reached out for therapy.
Okay, and what are the difference you are able to observe after the treatment?
Right, so the two differences I observed is, I would say my voice seems smoother and more consistent, and that it just doesn't crack as much like it did in the past. And the second one, I think, is that I'm just able to project my voice just a bit better, which I've been able to notice that people seem to understand me a bit better. And I don't have to repeat myself as often.
And where do you stay?
I live in Spain.
Okay, in Spain you stay. Okay. And why you decided to take online voice therapy? I'm in Bangalore.
Well, I was looking for doctors specifically who had experience with the phonatory gap, and also I was looking for doctors that had results. So after watching the YouTube videos, I saw that people with a similar problem as me, and in some cases even worse, people who had a more severe condition, they were able to make progress and improve their voice in a short amount of time.
Okay, so what is the message people having phonatory gap dysphonia you want to give?
The message? I mean,
what do you want to say to the people having similar problems?
Yeah, I understand. I would say, I mean, if you feel like it's a problem for you in your daily life, then just try to fix it. That's it. Try to improve it through therapy.
Yes, they can try voice therapy in case of phonatory gap. And if voice therapy doesn't work, then they can think about other options like thyroplasty or surgery. And in fact, I'm going to play your video. We have done live on the 8th of November 2021. So I will be playing.
Yes, hi Sanjay. So the reason I contacted you is because I was diagnosed with phonatory gap in my vocal cords. And also, like, when I communicate with people, when I talk to people, I noticed that I can't resonate as well as other people. I can't resonate my voice as well, especially in loud environments. And certain like sounds, it's a bit harder for me to.
So just I was playing your pre-treatment live, which we did earlier. And those who are watching this live, if you are able to see the positive difference between the pre and post treatment live, please like this video, share this video so that people like Chris having a similar problem can get hope and they can reach to a right place and right professional. And now I'll be coming to the questions answer if those who are watching this live. So Nagu is saying hi Nagraj, and Vicky Viraj Nanaksar is saying sir मुझे vocal निडाल कोड है मुझे सिंगिंग करते हुए आप कैसे संपर्क करें प्लीज कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर. Okay, so I understood from this comment like Vicky is having some voice problem and he want to contact me. So for our contact detail, please refer the description of this live. You will find our website, click on the website, reach me, and then you will find email ID, phone number, and on the Google map where is the clinic situated. So please call us and we'll discuss your problem in details and accordingly we'll guide you. So thank you, Vicky, for asking the question. So thank you all. And yeah, so and just to know that for awareness, I want to say, if you want to know how we changes the life of people having communication disorder, please explore our YouTube channel's playlist. You will find different communication disorder playlist, and all the playlists will be having pre and post treatment videos. So you can see the playlist like stammering. You will find the playlist of puberphonia, high pitch voice. You will find the playlist of phonatory gap, sulcus vocalis, misarticulation, aphasia, functional aphonia, functional dysphonia, even after hearing evaluation, once we dispense the hearing aid, fitted the hearing aid, how the patient communication improve. So all kind of playlists you will find at our YouTube channels, and that will help you to understand how a certified speech language pathologist changes the life of people having communication disorder. So I always use the term certified speech language pathologist. Whenever you are taking audiological services or speech language therapy, voice therapy services, always take from the professionals. Wrong vocal exercise may sometime damage the vocal cord. Or in fact, wrong way of doing vocal exercise also may damage sometime vocal cords and your voice. That may result into the phonatory gap, muscle tension dysphonia, vocal nodule. So always take help of the professional. So the now question is how you will be knowing who is a professional, who is not a professional. So when you are seeing any website or any social media page that the person is claiming he's a speech language pathologist, speech therapist and audiologist, try to find few information. First thing, from where he has studied, what degree he has. He has a graduation degree or post-graduation degree. In India, even the people having graduation degree in speech language pathology and audiology can practice as a speech language pathologist and audiologist. But in US, like countries, the minimum degree, they should have the master degree. So in India, if you're not able to find master degree people, even bachelor degree is also okay. But try to find your therapist from where he has studied or she has studied, what degree he or she is having, certified by the Rehabilitation Council of India or not, what is the RCI number, and even try to find if the clinic is there, where the clinic is situated in the Google map. So all this kind of information, try to find out before contacting him, and then you can differentiate between healthcare quacks and the real speech therapist. A fake speech therapist, they will not give the information about the college, university, which year they got the degree, all the detailed information. They have the degree like a graduation, post-graduation in the field. So all the detail you will not able to find. Sometimes healthcare quacks will write ABCD degree also, but they will not mention the college name, university name, or if any speech language pathologists or audiologists who are actually not speech language pathologists, they are fake, and they are spoiling your voice, vocal cord or hearing, you can report to the Rehabilitation Council of India, RCI, if you are in India, and RCI will take strong legal action. So अगर कोई भी झोला छाप स्पीच थेरेपिस्ट, ऑडियोलॉजिस्ट आपको किसी भी तरह से नुकसान पहुंचाता है या आपके किसी भी रिलेटिव को नुकसान पहुंचाता है, तो आप उसके बारे में रिहैबिलिटेशन काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया को रिपोर्ट कर सकते हैं और वो एक स्ट्रॉन्ग एक्शन लेती है. अगर गूगल सर्च में डालेंगे रिहैबिलिटेशन काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया RCI, तो आपको बहुत सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगा और आप उसको मेल कर सकते हैं. Sorry, Chris, I was explaining in Hindi also because my YouTube channel viewers are Hindi, English both. So I think you missed few of the information, but I was talking about how to differentiate between the healthcare quacks and real speech language pathologists and audiologists, and they can report to the Rehabilitation Council of India if any healthcare quacks is harming by any means to the any patient. तो ये मैं बताते रहता हूँ और मैं थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन पे भी आता हूँ. जस्ट आई विल सीइंग एनी क्वेश्चन. थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस एंड वाचिंग अस. नागराजू, thank you Vicky, thank you all, and from 12 o'clock I have again therapy session, so I need to stop this live. But at the end, Chris, just summarize what exactly problem you had, how do you feel after treatment, so that people like you can understand and get some motivation.
Yeah, sure. So the problem I had was that I had a phonatory gap diagnosed, and this phonatory gap I noticed was causing issues in my life, just communicating effectively. So then I went on the internet. I found Dr. Sanjay, who specifically treated this issue, and I saw his YouTube channel where he had some good results helping people with this issue. So after around 2 months of therapy and comparing my before voice with my after voice, I noticed mainly that my voice was just a bit smoother. It wasn't cracking like it used to in the past sometimes. And in addition to that, I'm always so able just to project my voice a bit better and have more control over it. And I noticed that, in my real life, that people seem to understand me a bit better and not ask me to have to repeat stuff as often as before.
So even I have given the link of your pre-treatment live in this description of this live, so people can watch your that pre-treatment video also in the detail to get an idea how the voice therapy helps. So thank you all for joining us and watching us, and we'll stop this live. Thank you, Chris, for supporting me by this live to create awareness about the communication disorder and its available treatment across the world. My passion is to treat voice problem by a non-surgical way and create awareness to the whole world about the available management. So thank you all for joining us and watching us. We'll stop this live. And thank you so much, Chris.